Hello friends, myself is Assistant Professor Rekha Jadhav, working as a HOD of Zoology in VN Naik College, Nashik. So friends, today we'll discuss Renin angiotensin system, which is a part of physiology of excretion. In our last video, we was discuss about how kidney forms urine through the different steps like ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption and secretion. Now today we'll discuss how the blood pressure is maintained by the kidney. As we studied this structure of nephron, we know that the first part of the nephron is called as a Bowman's capsule. Then next to that is a proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle's and distal convoluted tubule, and lastly the collecting duct. The starting part of this nephron is a Bowman's capsule which having glomerulus, which is formed by the afferent and efferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole enters in the Bowman's capsule and leaves in the form of efferent arteriole. And glomerulus is nothing but the dense network of blood capillaries. And at here in between afferent and efferent arteriole, there is a specific structure called as a juxtaglomerular complex. See the diagram. It's the afferent arteriole, it's the efferent arteriole, and it's a part of distal convoluted tubule. In between all these, there is some patches of tissues or the cells which are called as a macula densa cells, and with that some other type of cells are there called as a juxtaglomerular cells, and togetherly all this is called as a juxtaglomerular complex or juxtaglomerular apparatus. Now due to some reason like due to the hemorrhage or due to the decreased level of sodium in the blood pressure get decreases, even blood volume get decreases, and due to that blood pressure get decreases. At that time there is a decrease in blood pressure. This is sensed by the macula densa cells present here in between afferent and efferent arteriole, and this juxtaglomerular apparatus at that time releases one of the hormone called as a renin. In this juxtaglomerular apparatus, prorenin is always present, and immediately that prorenin as per requirement is converted into the renin, and then next step is going on. So see what happened actually. When there is a falls in a blood pressure, so that is sensed by the juxtaglomerular apparatus and renin is get secreted. Renin through the blood flow enters in a liver, and in liver angiotensinogen, this factor is converted into the angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 through blood flow it enters in a lungs. In a lungs always one enzyme is present, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, and with the help of this enzyme angiotensin 1 is converted into the angiotensin 2. Now this angiotensin 2 is a potent hormone or it is a potent factor. It shows effect through the different ways. Like first we can see a thirst. As angiotensin 2 is secreted, person feeling the thirsty, and through that water intake is increasing. See the second effect, it's a vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction, so blood vessels get constrict, and through that blood pressure get increases, blood pressure get rises. Even angiotensin 2, it shows effect on the adrenal, and through the and adrenal cortex it secretes one of the hormone, that is aldosterone. Now this aldosterone it shows effect on the kidney, and through that what happen, water retention in the body get increases, and as water retention increases there is an increase in blood volume and ultimately blood pressure get increases. In this way, through a chain reaction, this renin and angiotensin, they maintains blood pressure in the body, and therefore the system is called as renin angiotensin aldosterone system. Thank you.